What's the matter? I'm sorry, but if I let you out, I've got to stand out there with you. Haven't I? Hmm? Don't look at me like that. Yes, you can report me to the RSPCA. It won't do you any good. You're still staying in. It's too wet and windy out there for me to stand out and keep an eye on you. Otherwise the fox will come and get you, won't he? Oh, go and sulk in your hen house then. What's the matter now? No? Anyway, I'm going to clean up your run now. I don't want any more to slip. And there's no need for language like that, is there? Hmm? Honestly. What? What's the matter? What? Well, you can tell Liz about me, but she knows I'm keeping you in. She asked me to keep you in. She's worried about the fox catching you. Look, just go and lay an egg or something, will you? Oh, good grief. It's no good standing by the door. I'm not going to let you out. I'm sorry, girls. Oh, it's horrible out there. I can do without you coming in to inspect my work when I'm cleaning out your hen house too. Can't I? Hmm? Alright, I know I missed a bit. I haven't finished it yet. For goodness sake. Oh, take me. Look, give me a chance, will you? It's alright for you. You make the mess, I have to clean it up. Don't you start as well, Emmy. Well, not you too, Emmy, inspecting everything. Honestly, it's bad enough a princess there. Look, I'm going to do it all in a minute. Give me a little bit more time, for goodness sake, will you? I don't like being openly criticised when I'm in the middle of doing my work. I think you're two very selfish hens. And Bobby too, wherever she is at the moment. And stop kicking the bedding out as well. Honestly. Oh, come on, girls. If you can't, come on, girls. If you can't be a help, don't be a hindrance. Get in my way. I'm trying to clean your hen house. Can't do it to your satisfaction until you're out of the way, can I?